Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I just checked on Amity University page that Amity is organizing an international conference on digital humanities. Can you please explain something about that?
Yeah, digital humanities is the new area in which we are developing the courses also, and it meets at the intersection of where the computing technologies and the humanities technologies struck a balance. And this balance we utilize for new kind of research, and digital humanities is the new talk of the town in the 21st century when everything has gone online. So the students of digital humanities, the students of humanities are studying everything digitally, and with that they are now emerging the technologies or joining the technologies of digitalization, which is computer and cybertronics and other things. So it is a very win-win situation for everybody to work in the area of digital humanities, and Amity University will be holding its conference on digital humanities. We are very excited to tell you we have collaborated with Dharti, a renowned organization working in the area of digital humanities. We are also going to have an edited book of this conference from the best papers selected in the area of digital humanities.